Hello, my name is Athena Z, and this is my friend Tina, and we are with facepaint.com. And today I'm going to show you how to paint ice cream for ice cream design. This is how I paint my ice cream for ice cream design. First, I do a placement of my ice cream cone, and I paint the cone first in kind of beige tones, and then I add dark browns and light browns and whites for the highlights. Then I paint the actual ice cream scoop right on top. I start with pink. I decided to go for a strawberry flavor, and then I add purples to give it a little depth, to give it like 3D look, and then I added highlights in white so it will pop more. And then you can do different kind of designs all the way around. And this time I decided to add some teardrops around the eyes as well as stars right on top on both sides of the ice cream. So, and with the stars, I tried to make them look more 3D, three-dimensional. And this way, I painted them first an outline in yellow, then I added highlights in white, and then I did the shadow. But the shadow I actually did underneath of yellow, not on top of it, to give it like this 3D look. And of course, every girl loves lipstick. And I chose colors of pinks and purples to match the rest of the design. And voila! Ice cream for ice cream! Thank you everyone for watching. The link to all the products are down below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Bye!